I'm Chef Cynthia Louise, and this is your free ebook download called Wholefoods Beginning. Come and have a look inside of what's in this incredible book. Each recipe is designed with your health in mind, and they're taken out of each ebook that I have, and I put them together into one ebook for you to have a taste of this. Now, each recipe has a photo, of course, the ingredients and the method, and a little video here that gives you tips and tricks on how to nail that particular recipe. The list is exquisite. It's got enchiladas in it. The toppings for enchiladas, all plant-based and dairy-free, which is super awesome. Some eggplant dishes, got gado, got a lovely almond spiced chai. Everybody loves a chai. Some hot drinks, some dressings. I've got some gorgeous chocolate, which is just one of those things that you can't stop drinking. It's just exquisite. Strawberry crush. The list goes on. So every recipe in here is just a taste of you stepping in to the fact that you're worth taking care of. And food really does matter. It actually really does. And keeping it as simple and as delicious as possible is my gig to you at home. So download, click the link, download it and print it if you want to. And have it there to give yourself a little bit of a dance in the kitchen with me, and post your recipes and tag me as well. I'd love that.